it's Melanie, and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. Well, in today's video, we are going to be changing out this floor wall because I got a new beautiful spring floor wall and I absolutely love it. It has greenery and white pieces in it. I love it because it's so versatile. It's one of the first pieces that I ordered outside of this. Like, I knew I had to have this one, but y'all, this next one is everything. And I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. I'm going to put it together for you so that you can see how long it takes. And I'm going to show you guys how versatile it is by adding and taking away a few things. So if you love backdrops, floor walls, all things event planning, party planning, or just entertaining, definitely consider subscribing to our channel by clicking on that huge red subscribe button and turning on your notification bell. Without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is the wall. Look at how gorgeous it is. I love all of the greenery, the white flowers. It just reminds me of a garden. So today, I have my father-in-law. So today, I have my father-in-law here helping me. So we're gonna put this wall together. This is how it looks all laid out. We're gonna put the first piece up first and then we'll put the second piece up. All right. Ready, Dave?
Yeah, we can put the first piece up first and then put else.
I mean, we're gonna slide it on like a curtain.
Okay.
Well, I think we need to get down and then slide both things through.
Best way to do that.
Last time I didn't do it like this.
This is the best way to do it. And it is fun once you do
That's
that.
why I always.
And work with it better.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Lord, I didn't grab the piece off.
So that's like I said, that's the only thing about it. Put your pieces like this, you gotta make sure you get it wet.
All right. See how quick that is?
Okay.
Now, hold on. I need to tie the back. This one right here, let me tie the back together before we put it up. Look at how luscious this wall is. So gorgeous. Absolutely love it. It's so classy, elegant, and timeless. Now y'all, I have these beautiful carnations that were left over from Mother's Day. Let me try to get them. You see these? So gorgeous. And I'm gonna show you guys like how you can transform this wall, because I'm going to put them in the wall so you guys can kind of see how that would look. I'm just gonna snap the stem and just stick them in. To show you guys again the possibilities of this wall. I initially used it as just a plain white wall. This would be great for, like, you know, a wedding or an event or an outdoor wedding where you wanted a very gardeny type look. I absolutely love the white hydrangeas and the white wisteria and all of the greenery that is mixed in. It just makes it look so organic and so flowy. But what I love most about it was its versatility. So if you guys remember, I recently did a wedding, and for that wedding, I mixed in some blush pink flowers into the flower wall to match the floral centerpiece that was on the head table, and it turned out absolutely incredible. It was so gorgeous. It was such a focal point for that room just by me adding that one single pink color. With this one, I wanted to maximize it a little bit more, and I added in the different multicolors. So I absolutely love the fact that it is so multifunctional and so realistic looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching my father-in-law and I transform this wall. There are so many possibilities for it. I absolutely love things that can be a double duty, a triple duty, a quadruple duty, you name it. Again, I just used flowers that I had that were left over, that were about to be tossed, to just give you guys an idea of all of the possibilities that lie within this floral wall. If you're interested in it, I got it from rosemorning.com, and if you want to save an additional 20%, use my name, which is Melanie. That is the code for 20% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!